Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. Guys, in my video today, it will be the second part of my small room transformation. So as from here, as you can see, I'm going to show you how I make my bed. So normally I don't iron my fitted sheet or my flat sheet, depending on the wish you're using. So as you can see, once you stretch it out, it just got straight out on the bed. So there's no need to iron. But I've went ahead and ironed my duvet cover and my 4 pillowcases. So guys, I just want to take this opportunity to thank all my lovely subscribers subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'm almost at 500 subscribers. So a huge and massive thank you to you guys. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers and also my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. I do appreciate all the love that you show me on all of my videos, so thank you so much. So guys, as I said, if you're here for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so you're notified every time I uploaded a video, and also like, comment and share. So from here, I'm just going to use one of my throw to create it like a pleated. So I want to do a double pleat, so I just go ahead and just slowly try to get the pleats as to how I want them. Now this is just my way, you don't have to copy what I'm doing, but if this is something that you want to do, just take your time. There's no rush because you want it to be neat. And then also, once you're ready to tuck everything under, you want to make sure that once you tuck everything under, you don't need to go back over again and then just start doing it again. So from here, I wanted to use these 2 throws, but I didn't like the 2, so you'll see what I'm talking about once I show you the other bit. So as you can see, I went ahead and put my pillows on. Now from there, I'm just going to put my cushions on. Now I haven't bought anything. The only thing I purchased was the contact paper, which was £8. And then also, as you guys can see, or I'm not sure if you can see, that my bed head looks taller. What I've done, I've extended the bed head and wrapped it, and the material that I purchased for the bed head only cost me £12. So in total I spent £20 to make over my entire bedroom, because all these things I had at home. But yeah, this is what my cushion looks like after I just went ahead and arranged them all. Don't be afraid to go in there and mix it up, just mix it up. So this is what I was talking about with my other throw. So I didn't like the fact that there was 2, it was too big, so I just put one away and then just start using this one, and then I just put in my tray. So just be patient with stuff, fluff it around, make it look really natural, really nice, and look cozy as well. And then I just went ahead and just put these flowers on. Now these flowers are the opposite of the ones that I use on my autumn wreath. I got these on eBay. I'll leave a link in the description box below. I just add a little pumpkin and also my candle holder. Now onto my cupboard, I just went ahead with some glass cleaner and then just started cleaning the cupboard. Also, I went ahead and cleaned my flower leaf. Yeah, you have to, because they're full of dust. And just a little decor. I don't want to overpack everything on there, just a little bit of decor. And as you can see, I'm playing about with stuff. I put stuff in. I'm not sure if I like it there. Go ahead and do that. It's totally up to you. Now, as I said, this is like decor, so it's not something that you have to keep. Most of what you will see, as you can see as we prolong in the video, there's stuff that I don't really need to keep on a daily basis, but they're just for decoration. So it's totally up to you how you want to put in, what you want to put in, what you want to take out. But for most of these things, I am going to keep it. So I just did the same thing to my makeup table, just a little decor. I don't want too much because I've already decluttered my room from the last video. And then this is what my room looks like after I finish. Comment below, guys, and let me know what you think. Comment below and let me know what you think. This is the section I was saying to you about. You don't have to keep this bit, but this is just for decoration, just to make it look a little bit more nicer. I'm not going to keep these things because obviously I have to get to the window. So there's no way I would keep this. Come on, no way. But either way, it looks so nice, makes the room look so much nicer. And then these pumpkins, I had these pumpkins, they were glitter pumpkins, and I just wrapped it with a velvet piece of cloth and then just put some of these gem stickers on it, and then, you know, put a little bit of roses on the window, and it looks really nice. And then on the bedside table, I had some contact tape paper left over from what I did the makeup table, so I just wrapped it, and it looks so lovely. I just had some marshmallows in one of my jars. Oh my god, you can't believe that I didn't purchase anything here. All these things I had at home, and trust me, you don't want to know how much I have to fight myself not to buy anything, because it's so easy to buy stuff when you have so much stuff at home that you can recycle and upcycle and make it look so much different, So yeah guys, comment below and let me know what you think. Give me a like, comment. Also, set me a challenge. Is there something you'd like for me to do, or is my video connecting with you? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. As I said, give me a challenge. Tell me something you'd like to see me do, or, you know, tell me a video that you would like to see me do, or something of the sort. Comment below and let me know. Comment below and let me know what you think. It's just me know. Yeah, but guys, I'm so much in love with everything. It turns out so well, and I still can't believe that I only spent £20, nothing else. £20 is not a lot, and I've done all these things. And as I said before, I've decluttered. This is what my makeup area looks like. Looks so much different from what it looks like before, because before I had so much stuff there which I didn't need. So I've just put them, you know, in other section of the house that I need. The next big transformation I want to do is actually, I want to go back in my bathroom. I did a video sometime this year, but I still want to go back in there. So yeah, let me know if this is something you'd like to see as well. But I have a video for you on my bed makeover. You do want to check it out, because I am so much in love with my bed. It looks so much different, so much nicer and neater to me. Comment below and let me know what you think about my bed transformation, guys. And also, those frames on the wall over my bed, I actually upcycle them, or I give them, you know, a different look. But I will leave, so not next week, the other week, I'll try to upload a video on how I did those. So these are just a few photo slides of what everything looks like. And as I said, guys, please comment below and let me know what you think. Also, please don't forget to check out my playlist below. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.